Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome to another video with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Today we have another video for you with this mighty beautiful 13-inch Renzo Beltrame Stiletto Switchblade Kris blade in Brazilian horn. Let's take a closer look at that baby. Isn't that a beauty? Brass lined, back scales look good, stainless steel bolsters. Yeah, this one was sent to me by a friend of mine who specializes in stilettos, Italian stiletto switchblades from Italy. Francisco Mariani, if I say that correctly. Let's take a look at this bad boy. 13-inch goodness, look at that. That's beautiful. I've been looking for a 13-inch Brazilian Kris stiletto for a long time, and I finally found this one, and she's a beauty. Look at that. Beautiful. 13-inch, man. That's a long bad boy. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's fire this one again. Keep it portrait for now. Safety works. Oh yeah. Keep on rolling, baby. Look at that. It says Italian switchblade all over it. So yeah, we'll be doing reviews and looking at, oh, this thing is so long it doesn't want to fit in the camera. We'll be reviewing and looking at stiletto switchblades, folders also. So we'll do stilettos and switchblades, and we will do folders, maybe mix and match them. But just a quick another video with Switchblade Wade today. Hope you like that. That's some gangster shit right there. Anyway, have a good day, and we'll see you soon. Fuck yeah. Oh, and subscribe, share, and visit our website. The link is in our description, where you can buy more affordable switchblades, automatic knives, and watches. This website is Switchblades EDC. See you on the next video. Peace.